If somebody could share with you every step they took to become a paid professional photographer, would you listen? And would you invest in your future?
Okay, look, I want to help others because nobody helped me. And it sucked, and I just wish somebody would be there for me. So that's what I am doing. And I want to do this. I want to show people that you could do it because I did it. So my favorite, based on this, I'm going warmer colors. The blue just doesn't resonate at all. I like this because we're going to get a longer neck. So for sure I want to use this one.
All the way out, very chic.
I like that. Yeah. Okay, and even put his foot up a little bit. So we'll do that.
Okay, I've photographed some of the biggest names, and I want to show you how you can do the same, whether it's an international market or somebody local. Either way, I want you to have success and to be able to make money from your photography.
We're gonna go 30 more seconds. Pull. I don't believe that you're pulling. Pull tight, please. Yeah. Good. And you look right at me. Relax your lips. Good. I love that. I love that down the middle. So I want to add this.
It should be changed.
Okay, so I'm going to put it on the couch and then I just decided to add this last minute.
And that's why I created Photography Masterclass 40 Days to Profit. I want you to be able to have the success I had and to do it the fastest way possible.